Are you waiting for a breakthrough, a sign, a new season? What if God already answered your prayer and the door is wide open, but fear is keeping you from walking through it? In this video, we break down exactly how Jesus brings divine opportunities into your life through unexpected people, your hardest seasons, and the Holy Spirit nudges you keep ignoring. Based on Revelation chapter 3 verses 8, this is a message for anyone ready to stop waiting and start walking in faith. What if the opportunity you have been praying for is already standing right in front of you and you just cannot see it? Every single day, people ask God for a breakthrough, a new job, a new season, a fresh start. And here's what most of them don't realize: God already answered. He already opened the door, but they were too busy staring at the wall to notice it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how Jesus brings divine opportunities into your life and the signs you need to watch for so you never miss yours. I have placed before you an open door that no one can shut. I know that you have little strength, yet you have kept my word and have not denied my name. Did you catch that? Jesus doesn't say you have to be the strongest, the richest, the most connected. He says you were faithful. You kept going when it was hard, and because of that, He is placing an open door right in front of you. That door is opportunity, that door is provision, that door is the next chapter of your story, and nobody on earth can close it once He opens it. Here are 3 ways Jesus brings opportunity into your life. Number 1, through unexpected people. Think about, she was not famous, she was not connected, she was a widow in a foreign land, picking up leftover grain from the floor. And God placed Bauj in her path, a man who changed her entire destiny. Your breakthrough might not come from a job board or a LinkedIn post. It might come from a stranger in a coffee shop, a conversation you almost didn't have, a message you almost didn't reply to. Pay attention to the people God puts in your path. Number 2, through your darkest season. Joseph was thrown in a pit, sold into slavery, falsely imprisoned, and every single one of those low points was a stepping stone to the palace. When you are in your hardest season right now, you are not being forgotten, you are being postulated. God is doing preparation work that only difficulty can produce. The pit comes before the palace every time. Number 3, through a nudge you have been ignoring. There's something God has put on your heart, a business idea, a ministry, a conversation you need to have, a step of faith you keep putting off. That nudge, that's not random, that's the Holy Spirit pointing at the open door and saying, it's time, walk through it. Here's the hard truth: most people don't miss their opportunity because God didn't provide it. They miss it because of 3 things: fear, comfort, and disbelief. Fear says, what if I fail? Comfort says, what I have is good enough. And disbelief says, God wouldn't do something like that for someone like me. Timothy chapter 1 verses 7 says, for God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. Fear is not from God. Doubt is not your friend, and staying comfortable is not the same as staying faithful. The disciples left their nets immediately when Jesus called. Immediately, no overthinking, no waiting. What would happen in your life if you responded that fast? Here's What I want you to do right now before you close this video, ask yourself what door has God placed in front of me that I have been afraid to walk through. Write it down, speak it out loud, and then take one step toward it today, not tomorrow. Today, because God's timing isn't waiting on your comfort, it's waiting on your obedience. Opportunities don't always look like opportunities. Sometimes they look like hard conversations, risky decisions, leaps of faith. But when God opens a door, you don't need to see the whole staircase, you just need to take the first step. He opened the door. Now it's your move. Walk through it. If this hit you, drop in this comment, share this with someone who needs to hear it today, and subscribe new faith content dropping every week.